We'll go over the top 4 motorbike dash cams in this video, which you should definitely install to your ride.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Blueskysea B3M Dash Cam. The Blueskysea B3M Dash Cam is an excellent option for motorcycle riders who want to make sure their rides are documented in the clearest possible way. Dash camera for motorcycles having two 150-degree, 200-watt lenses on the front and back. To capture significant moments, the front and back cameras record at 1080p at 30 frames per second. 3 show modes are available on the 3-inch monitor, front, rear, and front and rear at the same time. The motorcycle dash cam's waterproof performance was enhanced by the use of a full-screen fit and a high-ceiling manufacturing method. When compared to other motorcycle recorders available on the market, the A12 motorcycle recorder exhibits superior waterproof performance. The sport bike dash cam is powered by the motorcycle's battery or an external power bank. It is connected to the ignition both on and off. In the unfortunate event of an accident, this feature is crucial since it offers irrefutable proof that may be used to support insurance claims or legal matters. On number 2, we have Zomfom Dash Cam. For riders who value security and high-quality trip documentation, the Zomfom Dash Cam is an outstanding resource. FHD 1080p video recording is supported by both the front and rear cameras. With the Sony IMX323 CMOS sensor, 6-layer glass lens, and big f1.8 aperture, it is possible to achieve optimal imaging performance in low-light conditions, even during starry night vision. It has clear video capability day or night. Both cameras have a 150-degree ultra-wide shooting angle, which allows them to cover multiple lanes of traffic and provide more thorough security. The professional, fully waterproof motorcycle camera. The front and rear cameras offer IP67-level waterproofing, while the main device, accessories, and cable lines support IP65-level waterproofing. The dash cam can safely record in wet conditions, which eliminates the problems that come with driving in the rain. Utilizing an integrated GPS module, the new look design improves GPS signal stability, minimizes the need for additional cable installation stages, and lessens unnecessary wire exposure. This allows for the motorcycle to be neatly maintained after equipment installation. On number 3, we have Camecho Dash Cam. Thanks to its many advanced features, the Camecho Dash Cam improves motorcycle security and documentation. With its precise 1080p HD video recording, this model makes sure that every aspect of your trip is documented. It sets itself apart with a range of advanced capabilities such as smooth loop recording that makes effective use of storage by swapping out old film for fresh bits. Its G-sensor technology is very good at picking up on sudden movements or collisions, preserving important video right away to help with any insurance or legal situations. The embedded GPS module of the Camecho model is one of its distinguishing features. This tool gives you a thorough overview of your journey by tracking your path and combining location and speed data into your recordings. In the event of an incident, such information can be extremely helpful, since it provides definite proof to back up your version of events. Additionally, the waterproof shell of the Camecho Dash Cam makes it weatherproof. This dash cam can record in all weather, so it doesn't matter if you're driving in a downpour or on a sunny day. Regardless of the time of day, its wide-angle lens and excellent night vision technologies guarantee spacious and clear footage. On number 4, we have Tenbaba Dash Cam. If you want to record your travels and improve the security of your motorcycle without going over budget, the Tenbaba Dash Cam is a great option. Regardless of the weather, rain, snow, or dust, the front and rear motorcycle dash cam's IP65 waterproof and dust-proof construction allows you to capture every second of your cycling adventure. Every accessory, including the cameras, is dust and waterproof. With its dual cameras on the front and rear, 2.0 HD display with split-screen preview, full HD quality, and wide-angle front and rear views of 120 degrees and 90 degrees, respectively, this classic, reasonably priced model can clearly catch every moment of your car. Included is a 32GB microSD card, which automatically overwrites its contents when it fills up. G-sensor engineered to record emergency lock video and identify collisions, capturing traffic conditions and accident evidence, ensuring the safety of cyclists. So these are some of the best dash cams to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.